Hi there, welcome to the PC Mancave, and today I am joined by an intruder. So, Romeo, what are you doing up here?
Playing Fortnite because my PC keeps crashing Fortnite.
Right, so what you're saying for Christmas I have to rebuild your PC?
Maybe.
Maybe. How are you enjoying this monstrosity of a gaming PC?
It's good, but it's very different. The keyboard is different to my keyboard because the keys that you use to build is different.
Right.
Because usually I can just...
UK layout versus US layout. What about the monitor? Are you doing better up here than your gaming system?
Yes, because my monitor's like big, and then the bigger it is, the wider it is, so I can't see the exact picture of the weapon.
Right. Well, this one's 144 hertz, so yours is 60, so you should be performing better on this one. Are you?
Yep.
Good. Alrighty. So I know I've not done a lot of filming, but give you a pan. So what we got down here is a client PC build that we've done. So photos, streams of this can be found on our Twitch channel and our Facebook page. We've done some photos on Twitter. So that's already for delivered, boxed up. And that's the hoard of stuff that I need to shift. My workbench. Finally all cleared, and the reason it's cleared is because I finally finished my project I started back in January, which is this Acer Z270 Maximus Formula Gaming Editing PC build, which I've been having fun benchmarking, and on Time Spy scored still at 9,000, better than 86% of all results submitted. So yeah, that's the state of play on the shed. And unfortunately everybody's been getting new systems and I've been building stuff for clients, but I still have my potato PC with wires sticking out, tinkering along nicely, but yeah, it's struggling now. And there we are, one final pan.